SIMREX X300C Mini Drone RC Quadcopter Foldable Altitude Hold Headless RTF 360° FPV Video Wi-Fi 720p HD Camera 6-axis Gyro 4CH 2.4 GHz Remote Control Super Easy Fly for Training White Phone Direct Control with Transmission or Transmitter Console with Smartphone Apple iOS/Android phones compatible 360° flips and rolls 1 key 3D rolling special effects flip in 4 ways FLAP left, right, forward, backward continuous roll for perfect action and wonderful performance headless security mode. When eyes can't identify the orientation of the drone, the headless mode can help to control easier and prevent from losing the direction. Equipped with the latest 6-axis gyro flight control systems, provide better and safer using experience. Range: about 30 to 45 meters. Flight time: about 8 to 10 minutes. Charging time: about 60 minutes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.